Welcome to this video. It is the fourth video in a series of 5 about goal setting in the new year. And today I have 2 tips for you that are really going to make you think big and get you out of the box trying new things. So my name is Thom Singer and I appreciate you watching this video. Down below, you can subscribe to the channel. You can also find the other 4 videos in this series. And I hope that when you combine them all, the 10 tips that I share will get you to taking action in the new year that's going to help you create something like you've never done before. Throughout my career, I've had pockets where I have been a very avid goal setter. I've been focused, I've had a plan, I've been doing the work to make it happen, and those are the years that I really grew my career. Other times, I just kind of got into a routine and sort of went with the flow, and those are the years that things were fine, but I really didn't expand and grow. So my first tip for today is that if you're going to set goals, you've got to think big. Now, I don't mean be ridiculous. Don't decide that you're going to make $20 million in the next 2 weeks or whatever. It's got to be realistic. The whole idea behind SMART goals, making sure that they're realistic, is important. But at the same time, you need to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You have to be able to say, I'm really going to try something new here. I'm going to really go for what it is that I want to accomplish. Because if you don't push yourself, then you're kind of in that just skating by mode. So set a goal for something you're going to do that's going to be bigger than anything you've ever done before. And then reverse engineer the plans of how do people who achieve amazing goals, who accomplish things, reverse engineer the steps they took to get there and make that work for you. And the second tip is my motto, and that is try new things. So I spent a lot of my life saying no to things if I wasn't sure I was going to do well at them. If I didn't think I'd be good at something, I just didn't do it. I didn't try a lot of new things. And when you try new things, sometimes you're going to fail. But when I turned 50 years old, I made a promise to myself that I was going to make age 50 to 75 the best years of my life. And now that I am 5 years into that, I can tell you it's coming true because I've been very focused on trying different things, both in my personal life and in my career. So if you're not expanding your actions, if you're not trying new things, well, you're never going to be able to grow, because if you just do the same things over and over, guess what? You're going to get the same results. So start small with the things that you try. What is it that scares you? How can you push yourself to go do something different? And then try it. I have one thing that I do, and that is every single week on Monday, when I go to Starbucks, I try something new. When I get up to the front of the line and they say, welcome to Starbucks, what can I get you? I look at them and I say, hey, it's Monday, it's Barista's Choice Day. You get to pick my drink. Now, does this mean I always get a coffee drink that I love? Nope, sometimes they're not in the flavor profile that I really like, but I'm willing to try it one time a week. The rest of the week, I'm gonna order my grande non-fat vanilla latte, because I know that's really good. But I start small. And I'll tell you, some of the things I've tried have been great. Even if I'm not going to order them again, it's pushed me a little bit. But what it does is every single week, it reminds me on Monday that I have to move the bar. I have to try new things. So today's tips are think big and try new things. And if you do that in your goal setting, all of a sudden, you're going to find that you're setting some big goals, you're trying some new things, you just might accomplish more next year than you've ever accomplished before. So subscribe to the channel, look at the other 4 videos that I've produced on goal setting, and check out some of the other videos that I have. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I hope that you're going to make next year huge, because you're going to set amazing goals, and then you're going to take the actions to achieve them all, or at least get farther along that path than you would have if you didn't set goals.